Kitty. I'd love to make a takeout order with my flip phone.
Oh, stuffed China Kitty was a bad choice.
What's going on? It's Untitled Kitty, and we're going to take Chinese takeout flavors and lighten it up at home with egg roll in a bowl. Today we're going to take all the delicious flavors of everybody's favorite egg roll and turn them into healthy, delicious, and satisfying meals. So let's get started. To a hot pan, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. To that I have 1 small onion diced, 3 cloves of garlic that I minced up. I'm going to brown 1 pound of ground beef, ground pork, whatever you want. So while that's browning, let's get a little saucy. I got 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, tablespoon of sriracha. Ladies and gents, don't be afraid to work that meat. Just brown it up. And I'm going to drain off some of that liquid. To that, a bag of coleslaw mix. Just add your sauce. And just saute over medium-high heat till the coleslaw gets tender. So taste it. I'm going to put a touch more soy for me. A little black pepper. Just stir it up a bit, and that is done. Drum roll, please. Let's plate this up. So I'm going to put this on a plate. Just like that. So I'm just going to finish it off with a little green onion. Sprinkle a little toasted sesame seed. Let's give it a shot. You could serve this over rice, but it's a nice light meal right on its own. It's a darn egg roll right on a plate. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Untitled Kitty, and I appreciate you in the kitchen with me. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave your comments below, and say what's up. Until next time, ciao.